So hello everyone. So in this video we are going to make our virtual assistant using Python. We are going to make our Jarvis here. So here basically we will use three main library: speech recognition, Python text to speech, and PyAudio. So we will see one by one use of this library, how we can use this library to make our virtual assistant. So now we will see the code part. So here I'm using PyCharm ID and I'm naming like Jarvis. Yeah, so our project is ready. Now first thing we need to install all the packages. So first we will install speech recognition. You can just Google like speech recognition Python, you will get this website. Just copy this command, open your terminal and just paste it here. Yeah, so that is installed. So now the next one is text to speech. So just need to copy this, I will explain each of the line of this project so you can also make your own virtual assistant. So please keep watching this video until the end. Yeah, so now the last one is PyAudio. So just need to copy here and you will see there will be some error while installing this PyAudio. So I will give you the alternative if it is not working in your system. Yeah, so now in my system it is working. So suppose this PyAudio is not working in your system, kindly let me know in the comment section. I will tell you the alternative way. The alternative way, you can use Homebrew or you can use this command. So I will also create the document for this video. You can go and check out this command also from there if this command is not working in your system. So now we will dive into code. Our first step is done. We have installed all the packages here. So now just need to import all the packages. Suppose I'm importing like import speech recognition. So we'll take like S, speech recognition as S, and the next one is Py text to speech. Yeah, that's it. Now here we are going to use our microphone. So here I am using my system microphone. I will speak, my microphone take my voice as an input, and then what we need to do, we need to convert our voice into text. Then we will get some text and then that text we will pass in particular function. So according to our text, that text will be one command for this project. So what it will do, according to your voice, what that text will come, according to the text it will respond. So now let me create this, then you will more clear on this. First we have to call the recognizer which will recognize our voice. So here I am creating one variable, like suppose I am creating like listen and s dot recognizer. Yeah, so that is done. So now the next one is we have to install the Py text to speech. Whichever text will come, our Jarvis will speak that. So for that I am using like speak variable and we are going to Py dot, we are going to initialize this. Yeah, so these two line is done. So now this is done. So now the next and main thing, where it will take our voice and convert it into a text. So how we will convert our voice into text? So for this we are going to use with speak recognition, which is denoted as S dot microphone, because our source, with the help of microphone only, we will input the command into the Jarvis. So as we are taking like input, so this is the input. So here we are creating one variable like our input equal to listener dot listen. It will listen, and here we will pass the input. And the next thing, now in this line we have to convert our voice into a text. So that text we will store in one variable. So suppose I am creating one variable like text and listener dot recognize Google, and here what we will pass, we will pass our input, which is our voice. So let me explain again what we have did until we have imported speech recognition PyText to speech. So here we have created one variable which is listener, where this function recognizer will call. And the next one what we have did, we have created one variable where we initialize the PyText to speech. Now the main task what we are going to do, we are going to use our microphone where we will input. So what will be our input? Our input will be our voice. So we will pass our voice into a listener function, and this voice we will pass in recognize Google, which will convert our voice into a text, and we will store that text. Now we have a text where our input is available. So now we just need to use this text. So we can also make this function like I'm creating function like our input, our order, you can say we are going to order to Jarvis. So here we are going to just return what we will return. We will return the text, which is our order to the Jarvis. Now the main task is done. What is the main task is done? It will listen us and it will convert our voice into a text. Now let me, so we can also print hello sir, tell me how can I help you. Okay, and here we can also print our text. Let me call this function also our order. Tell me your name. So here you see that I have told that tell me your name. It is printing the same. That means our main task is done. It is converting our voice into a text. Now we will just create the function. So according to our command, it will respond. So I am creating one function like Jarvis, and here what we are going to do, we are going to call the, suppose I am creating one variable like command, and we are passing our order. So our order is our text, which will pass here. So now in the command variable we have these text, whichever we are going to order our Jarvis. So now we are going to write some conditions. So according to our condition, it will react. So here suppose I am doing like if name. Suppose if I am saying anything and there is one keyword which is name, then what it will do, if name in command, then what it will do. So now we are going to use text to speech, because suppose we are asking something to the Jarvis, then he is going to give us the answer. So we are going to use the speak variable here. So speak dot say, and we will do like my name is Jarvis, and here we will also call the speak dot run and wait. Now let me run and show you. So before that we will call here Jarvis function. Tell me your name.
My name is Jarvis.
Yeah. So now is saying the name. Now again we are going to write next condition like elif. If there is some key came like father in command, so it will speak like say my father is mastermind coder. Now let me run. Hey Jarvis, who is your father? Here you can say it's not say in audio form because we didn't call the run and wait function. Now we'll run. Hey Jarvis, who is your father?
My father is mastermind coder.
Okay. So that's great. Now suppose we just want to pass the time to the Jarvis. So here we will use like time. As you are getting why I am using this condition, because suppose any one of the keyword in that command, that command is our voice. So according to that it is responding. So time. So for time we have to import the date time. So just need to import the date time here. Here we are going to make one variable, that time and date time dot date time now, and we just need to do str time. If you don't know about this date time, you can also refer my one video where I have created the digital watch. So there I have explained in detail regarding this date time. So now we just need to do like speak dot say time. We can also add one string like hi sir, now the time is, we will use like time, and here we will call run and wait. Now we'll run and see. Hey Jarvis, what is the time?
Hi sir, now the time is 16:17.
Yeah, so it's also telling the time. So what is the next we can do? We can also create one else condition. Suppose if it is not getting our command, he is not getting what to do, then it will say sorry, I did not get you sir. And as it is calling one time only, so here we will use while loop, and while it is true, that time that Jarvis will run. So now we will run and see. Hey Jarvis, what is your name?
My name is Jarvis.
Okay. Hey Jarvis, what is the time?
Hi sir, now the time is 16:18.
Jarvis, who is your father?
My father is mastermind coder.
Okay. So here we just need to call like run and wait also. Do you know who I am, Jarvis?
Sorry, I did not get you, sir.
So as you can see, that's why I have created while loop here, and every time when Jarvis is listening us, then we are printing this. You can also type anything here according to your creativity. Now the next what we can do with this, we can do like elif for joke. Suppose we can ask for a joke. So for joke we can go for that PyJokes library. So just need to copy and install this. So we are going to install jokes here. So now we will type like if there will be one keyword like joke in command. So first we need to import that joke here. Import PyJokes. Here we will do like speak dot say PyJokes dot get jokes, and we will run like speak dot run and wait. Now we'll see. Hey Jarvis, can you tell me a joke?
Writing PHP is like peeing in the swimming pool. Everyone did it, but we don't need to bring it up in public.
So now the next, suppose we are going to ask Jarvis to play any song. So for that, in my previous video I have told you regarding how you can automate your YouTube. So that only we are going to use. We are going to install here PyWhatKit. Pip install PyWhatKit. So PyWhatKit is installed. Yeah, so now we have imported the PyWhatKit. Now we are going to use that library here. So suppose in our command that play keyword is coming, then in that situation it will do like speak dot say hi sir, I am playing your song, and here we can do like speak dot run and wait, and here at the end we have to use that PyWhatKit dot play and out. So for play and out we have to pass our command. So we will pass our command here. So but there is one problem, like suppose I am saying hey Jarvis, please play my song like Safe of You. So it will take that whole sentence like hey Jarvis, please play our song Safe of You. But we just need to pass the Safe of You here, then it will play that song. So here we are going to use the replace function. So how we can do this we are going to use one variable, and we are going to replace that. Suppose here is hey Jarvis, play the song, replace with empty string. So now suppose we are going to say like hey Jarvis, play the song Shape of You. So that this hey Jarvis, play of the song, that text will convert in the empty string, and here it will store only our song. So that our song is Shape of You. Now we'll use like our song. Now we'll run and see. Hey Jarvis, please play Shape of You.
Hi sir, I am playing your song.
So you can see it is playing Shape of You here. So I hope you like this video. If you have any query, kindly let me know in the comment section. Now you can make your Jarvis as much as creative you are. You can also use here like screenshot, that hey Jarvis, please take the screenshot of this screen. Then it will also take the screenshot of that screen. For that screenshot function, you can prefer my old videos. I have created one video where you can see. And the next thing, you can also get the detail of any person, so you can also use Wikipedia. And also you can use info function from the PyWordKit. So there are so many things you can implement in your Jarvis. It's all about your creativity. So please make your Jarvis and let me know in comment section what extra you have did with your Jarvis. Thank you so much guys for watching this.